up people, badass bullet here baby. So guys, we are here at my uncle's place. So let's go ride the RS. Let's see, where is the RX? Oh yeah, it's here. Oh baby. What's up people? So as you can see, this is my Royal Enfield Classic 350. This is my Royal Enfield Classic 350 and this is the RX-135. So today we're gonna conduct a drag race between these both bikes. Actually there's some problem with the clutch plate and the pickup issues are there. Anyways, let's see which is gonna win. I changed my vote. I think my bike wins. Anyways, now let me show you some cinematics.
Work it, baby.
Let's start the engine and see the exhaust note. Hey yo people, so now I'm going to give some specs of this bike. So it's a single cylinder 2-stroke air cooled engine and the maximum torque which it can produce is 12.25 nanometer at 7000 rpm and 14 bhp at 7500 rpm. And the fuel tank's capacity is 10.5 liters and oil capacity of 1.5 liters and it can max hit 100 I think, or if you tune it properly it might cross 100, that is it. It's a very lightweight motorcycle. The total weight comes around 108 kilograms. Anyways, now let's go see the specs of Royal Enfield. Coming to the Royal Enfield Classic 350. You see the engine, it's a 346 single cylinder air cooled engine and it can produce a torque of 24 nanometer at 4000 rpm and max power is 19.8 bhp at 5250 rpm. Coming to the tank, it can hold up to 13.5 liters. And coming to the mileage, it gives approximately 30 to 35. Max it gave to me is 33 because I always ride fast. And then coming to the weight of the bike, it weighs approximately 187 kilograms without payload. So that is it. Now let's do the drag race between these both bikes. Okay racer, are you ready? Okay, I'll go set the camera and come. So we're gonna race. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Start the engine, baby! it didn't get switched, bro. First gear, it didn't get switched. Oh, come now. Okay, ready? I know RX wins, baby. I won again. Baby, I won again. Okay, anyways, I won. Again, Rahul was like some truck came and all that shit. Okay, now we just exchange the bikes. He's gonna ride the RX and I'm gonna ride the. And then the next thing is, what do you say? While going, it didn't get switched probably. So it was in neutral only and he went off, so that's why I couldn't race. But anyways, I know I'm the racer, baby. I'm like the superhero and RX is the best. No, it's best, but it's my bike is also best. Anyways, now the second race. Okay guys, now race 2 and I'm going to ride my bullet. Let's see who wins. If I win, then Rahul is, what do you say, baby driver. Okay, ready Rahul? 3 honks and we're starting. Ready? It's on first gear, right? I won. Rahul the baby driver. Come. Now let's see who wins while going back. Okay. You want to do the honk thingy? Ready? He gave up!